In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload with Printful to eBay. And so first, you do have to connect your account from Printful to eBay. I'm going to put a link in the description below to show you how to do that. Printful has an awesome tutorial to do that. All right, so after that, once you get your store connected from eBay to Printful, you want to go to stores, and then you want to go click on your store and add product. For this example, I'm going to do a shirt. So I'm going to go to men's clothing, and it's actually not going to be a men's clothing. It's actually going to be a unisex. So I'm going to go to t-shirt. And the example I'm going to use today is the Gildan. So I'm going to look for it. So we're going to use the unisex basic soft style t-shirt Gildans. And so this is the one we're going to use right here, 64,000. All right. And I believe for eBay, you can only do one color at a time. So I'm just going to do one color. Usually I use dark heather and I use black. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use black. So I'm going to click on black, make sure small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL is clicked on, and after that I'm going to go to drop here design and upload it. Alright, so I have my design uploaded. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to zoom in right here. As you can see, I was zooming in and zooming out, and then I'm just going to go click on this corner right here and just adjust it. I like to go to the chest area right here and go to the near borderline on the top as much as possible, so around this region. I do not like to go in the middle because most customers didn't like that, so I like to go all the way to the top, and I just like to expand it as much as possible without going into the borders. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to zoom out, and that looks pretty good to me. I'm going to go to proceed to mockup. I'm going to choose the flat mockups, and I'm just going to type in the title. Alright, so this is the title, Llama Mama / short sleeve unisex t-shirt, which was default. I leave the description, and then I'm going to go press women for style, display my product with free shipping, proceed to pricing. For this one, you can do whatever you want for the profit. I'm going to leave it at 60%, so I'm going to click that, edit quantities. For this one, eBay only allows you to do a certain amount. Normally I do 3, but for this demonstration, I'm going to do 1. So this is what it looks like on eBay right here. As you can see, it has uploaded, but we do need to fix this listing a little bit because there's multiple images of the same listing. So we're going to go back to the back end and fix this. And so we're going to click on revise your item. Okay, so once here, as you can see, the title already has been filled out. So I'm going to just leave that as it is. I do recommend to fill it out just for keyword purposes, as we have 40 characters left. Usually for most purposes, if the title is really long, such as the shirt design title, it will automatically most likely fill out the 40 characters. So I'm just going to leave it as it is. I'm going to leave this right here, category, and then I'm going to go down, and I want to fix this area right here, which is the pictures, and I'm going to use a mockup that I've created. So I'm at canva.com right now to show you the mockup that I have. I got this mockup right here, and all I'm going to do is get my title, and I'm just going to adjust it. And so I'm going to adjust it accordingly, maybe just turn it a little bit, shrink it a little bit, go to the chest area. You want to match this to the actual uploading process you did in Printful. And after that, you want to go to download and do PNG. Okay, so we're back at the listing right here. So as you can see, it has the default picture. So I'm going to get rid of that by pressing X, and I'm going to upload the new one. Okay, that looks good. We're going to click on add and edit. Okay, so this is the part where we can actually take out the individual pictures for each size. So we're going to go to the bottom area, and we're going to go to size right here, and we're going to do use default photos. Okay, so now we only have these photos right here as the default pictures. All right, so for the next one, another thing you should know is about the quantities right here. So if you want to change the quantity, so for example, if someone buys a shirt and it's 0 quantity, you can easily just come here, click on all these, whichever size of the product, and just enter the quantity. So you can easily just do 3 if you want, 1, and just save it. All right, so I'm gonna press save and close. All right, so for the next section, you're gonna see this recommendation right here where it says these item specifics may apply to your listing. If it makes sense, I would press update. After that, fill out your brand, fill out the size type, the color, the type. For the department, it's not completely accurate, so I'm gonna do unisex adults because that's what it is. And then also make sure to put the correct brand name. All right, so we're gonna go to t-shirt right here. That's correct. We're gonna press crew neck because that's what it is. We're gonna press solid for this one, and we're gonna go to sleeve type. I don't believe any of this applies for short sleeve, but we're gonna go to sleeve length. We're gonna go to short sleeve. Material is 100% cotton. If you go to the bottom, you're gonna see the description. It says 100% cotton right here. All right, so we're gonna go back to the top. The accents, I'm gonna leave that blank. Theme is blank. Fabric, blank, I believe. Features, I believe it's spun cotton or ring spun right here. So I believe it's ring spun, so I'm gonna click on this, add it. For occasion, I'm gonna do casual. For fit, I'm gonna do regular, and for character and vintage, I'm gonna leave it blank. Usually if there's a recommendation, the character will pop up, and so I think everything looks great right here. And you just want to review everything right here. For the item description, you're gonna leave this as it is, and then just go to the next section. I'm gonna leave all this as it is. Printful already did a good job of just putting it. I'm gonna leave all this as it is as well, and everything looks pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna press update listing.